Job of the day. I'm gonna change the wood deck out on this trailer. I got wood here. Let's get on it. Alright, I'm taking off wood. Some of these fasteners coming out. Some of them are not. That one definitely not. Oh, that broke. I'm just gonna go through, start taking all these fasteners off. Might just be able to pry this wood off first. Alright, all wood is off. I'm just taking the fasteners. They're not wanting to come off, so they're getting hammered off. Oh. Just making sure I don't start a fire with my grinding, so I'm gonna wet everything down on the ground and keep the hose handy. Slowly but surely, getting them all the high spots down. All the fasteners are sanded down. Start putting wood on. I know those boards are 20 feet, so I need to cut them down. So, get everything in. All right, new wood is on. I'm gonna cut it to length. Starting fasteners now. I'm gonna put 2 in each board. And I need to probably rip that board. I'm gonna squeeze the boards as much as I can to this side, fasten them in, and see if I can fit that full board in. If not, it's getting ripped. All right, got this board fastened in to the middle, and then from this board I can squeeze everything there. I think I can get this last one in. It's like 9.5, just a little under, like 1/16 under, and this is 9.5 on the money, so I can hammer that bad boy in, see if I can do it. Oh, so close. Just need to pry that in, but the back is going in nice. Back is in. Got like a 1/16 of an inch up here. Get that bad boy in there. A little bit of sanding on this corner and everything went in clean. I got the back row and the front row. I'm gonna do one middle row and blow everything off and be done. And the last 2. And last deck screw in. Time to clean up, get out of here. This job is done. Clean off all of this deck. Oh, forget some of my tools. And he's got a new trailer deck. This job is done. I'm on to the next.